In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in an Audi S5 key fob. All you'll need to get this done is the replacement battery, which is just one CR2032. These are inexpensive. You can find them online. If you're interested, go check out that first link down in the description. That will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. Now, all we want to do is flip this over, look on the bottom where that button is, hold it down and pull out the internal key. Over here on the front, on this plastic tab on the bottom, there is another button. You can see how that goes down there. You're going to hold that down and pull on this tab. Hold the key fob and pull on the tab. And this part will come right out. There is our battery, just pop that out. Take your new 2032 battery, and when you're ready to put it in, make sure the positive side that has the text and the positive, the plus sign on it is facing down. Click that into place. And now you can just slide that back in. There you go, just slide it in, press it all the way down, and we can put the key back on there. And if you want to make sure you did everything correctly, just click and make sure that that light is coming on. Mine is a little faint, but yours should be brighter than that. And if the light is activating, then you did everything correctly and you should be good to go. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.